and green mask. Today I am going to teach you how to make a belt and buckle. For this you will need a square piece of paper. If you don't know how to make a square piece of paper, I've put the video link in the description box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to it. Now let's start. Now with a square piece of paper, fold it into half. Now let's crease it well. Now open it and make another triangle over here. Meet the edges well and hold it. Crease it well. Now open this square piece of paper. You can see we've got X. Now take this point and fold it to the middle. Make sure that the vertical line is matching. Do it to the other side too. Remember, don't do it in all the 4 sides. Do it in only 2 sides. Now turn it over. Now you have to fold this point over here. And again, don't forget to match the lines. Repeat it the other side. Turn it over. Now fold the middle line. You get this. Now fold this over here and this over here. Now you see that down you get a big diamond. Repeat this the other side. You will get like this. Now fold this position to the middle. Do it here too. And you have to not do it to the top. Repeat it in the back. Now you see it looks like a box. Crease it very well. Now you see you get a box. Now fold this down part up. Turn. Now fold this down portion up. Crease it well. Repeat it the other side. Now it looks like this. Now open this side of the shape and now you get this. Fold one layer this side. And here also fold one layer this side. Crease it well. Crease it very well. Now turn it over and pull these corners out. Now push this point out and this point out too. Fold these big things back. And here you have your belt and buckle.